Well, we may find ourselves at family gatherings and there's a period of catching up. Some relatives and friends we don't normally see or talk to on a daily or weekly basis. They are often posing questions that this can lead to trying to measure up to, Uncle Bill's kids. Know that each child is different. Each child learns, behaves, and reacts in their own way. You cannot compare apples to oranges. Keep the conversations light and in perspective. Children all grow, learn, and change at different speeds, and that is no different for children with epilepsy. Every child, no matter what age or condition, needs to be encouraged and supported in knowing that they can do anything they want if they work hard to attain their goals. While John's goal may be to get into an Ivy League college, Joan's goal may be to be an artist. We are all different, and that's okay. I've heard the saying so many times from many of my clients. They say, I have epilepsy, but epilepsy doesn't have me. And I just love this mindset. To only stay for a brief period of time at Uncle Joe's if the environment's not good for us, and if it's not, and it's okay to say no that we can't attend without having to feel guilty. It's not worth the possible additional seizures if your child is not comfortable being at a certain gathering. One good idea before you leave is to have a code word, such as campfire. So if your child comes to you and says, let's have a campfire tonight, then you know that they're telling you they're stressed out, they're not comfortable, they need to go home and rest, and do so. Have a good plan in place before leaving your house.